infinity and beyond.
Landon's out here jumping around. Gonna hurt himself. Got Daddy out here making something. Looks like Daddy's making some sort of soccer goal netting. Burn. Looks like Daddy finished the goal. So Lana can come out here and practice soccer. It's his favorite. He's been playing since he was 3. You have your first game tomorrow. Are you excited?
Second.
Well, the last one was really just a scrimmage.
They forfeit. Sadly.
Yeah, it was a scrimmage, so this will be your first like real game.
Yeah. We had to combine with a different team because we didn't have enough players on our team or our second team. So we had to combine.
Yeah. Now you have 2 coaches.
He makes us run 2 laps each practice. Stupid.
You used to run cross country. What difference does it make? You like to run.
Do I look fit?
Yeah. You
Do I
do.
look like I want to run?
Well, you ran cross country. Staking it in the ground. Kinda. Practicing soccer. Goal.
It's really dark because it gets dark quickly. But this is it right now. We added this string right here to keep it up. We have a stake right here, right there. Curly stakes right there so that nobody gets hurt. And they hold it in the ground. And we have one on both sides. Hi.
Did you make some more?
Yeah, I hurt my wrist.
Oh, you hurt your arm in your very first soccer game, huh?
Well, second, but
Well, it was your first day of soccer games, but your second
That's
soccer
why you
game
don't put
of
it
the
in the
season.
fire sash.
Can you help me? My marshmallow's burnt. So I guess.
Put it up here. It roasts, but you don't catch it on fire like your sister.
And I couldn't get it out because I have this too.
You making s'mores, Ainsley?
Yeah, but I do it. I hate I go pull it down. Like
Oh,
half. That was amazingly tasty.
amazingly tasty.
Can you at least make 2?
I think this time I'm gonna at least make. I think my second time I'm
Can
gonna
you at least make
it
2
actually melted.
s'mores?
If you want.
Okay.
Okay, I need
Mine's
another-
burnt, so mine's
Put
like
it-
gooey.
On the cracker. Ew, yours is burnt. Pull your stick out.
Is mine gooey? A little bit.
Mmm, s'more. Watch the
Mine,
stick.
that's my chair.
Give me the stick.
give the injured person a break. Come on.
Did we feel bad for the injured person?
I'm trying to dodge Dylan. Also trying not to dodge down the hill.
Trying to dodge Dylan and Dylan.
Yup.
Two Dylans.
Yeah, because whenever I shout Dylan, and then he goes,
Mine had a purple
Dylan,
spot.
like me? No, that was Dylan. And it was like confusing.
Here you
Ooh, that looks like a good s'more.
Mine looks like a
go. Hold
terrible
that,
one.
not this.
Not as much as I did.
Ew, Dylan. That looks disgusting.
Yes, it does.
Okay, put it down.
Oh, I had it perfectly golden.
Smush. If you burn me, I will be mad.
Perfectly
Ah,
golden.
almost. Here you go.
Hey, I'm using the middle. Get away from my middle. Come on.
What? Yum. Is it good?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Perfectly golden. I like swiping it around at some point.
Yummy s'mores. You like yours?
Hey,
I don't like s'mores.
My mama wait.
I see.
Daddy, look, my marshmallow's poofy now.
Yes.
Uh-huh. Keep cooking though.
That's the rest of the marshmallow. I caught mine on fire, so I blew it out. I'm still gonna cook mine. Mine's perfectly golden until it caught on fire up here. Oh, right here, like it's really squishy. It's like melting down on the top. I'm still gonna cook it. Look, it's kind of golden.
Okay, but don't touch the metal, Sam.
It's hot.
Be very close to touching the metal.
Where should I put this?
Are you done?
I'm gonna go inside and wash myself.
That's probably a good idea.